You ready for convention?
No, we're ready for snacks.
Lots of snacks.
Yeah, Joe promised us snacks if we'd come along, and we're waiting for him to pay out with snacks.
You know what? I'm gonna go find out about that. I'll be right back.
Matt has them.
Are you sure? Joe says you have the snacks.
I need more snacks. Those snacks didn't last long. You don't get a figure like this by eating one little snack a day.
I was getting real low on gas, and so low as in E. Got off the exit ramp, but yeah, flipped the trailer a couple times and ended up in a ditch with that, and heck of a deal.
So you did like everything short of riding your horse here, man.
It was fun.
You did technically exit the highway.
Oh yeah, you bet I exited the highway.
Do you need more wood?
How's it going, boss?
Splendid.
Another day?
Yep. Well, you can see my breath.
We got like 60 head on Friday.
We're gonna have a big day Friday.
Thanks, I don't like cameras.
Oh, God,
Find the wafer.
but Mama K, you look so good on camera. How's it coming, dude?
Still struggling.
We got Mama K on it now. She's the bomb.
We're struggling. The struggle is real.
Lily is setting the standard. She has made a piece of bar stock. What more could a person want to accomplish in their life than making bar stock? In probably a year's time, these guys will all be outside of their trucks with their own anvil, standing in front of a crabby horsewoman, putting juice on. Like these two Israelis. Batman and Robin, how's it going today, guys? Good! Oh, looking sharp.
The 16 to 24 is the way it works with the quiz time. In the second 8, you owe 20 push-ups. In the third 8, you owe 30 push-ups. You will progress, I promise. All right.
So that's a con aught. This is going to be very similar to a St. Croix aught size.
Little does the South African know, he has a tail. So what is the corium with a white line?
The terminal papillae at the distal end of the sensitive lamina.
And what's the Latin term for white line?
Zona alba.
Oh, good. All right, cool. See, these are the guys that are ahead of the curve right now, multitasking here at Heartland Horseshoeing School. They know how to do it. How late you guys go to bed last night?
11:30.
No way. What were you doing?
Well, I was making really bad sandwiches for a while, and then I took a shower, and that was about it.
That was the end of that.
And I had my Stouffer's dinner.
Another day in the Heartland.
That's right.
Yeah, that's pretty good, yeah.
Feet were not designed to be held off of the horse.
No, I believe not. How's it going, boss?
You know what? We do one dead foot. We do 3 dead feet a year. Once every 8 weeks. And I hate dead feet.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at this. Surprise, surprise. We got Dr. Love sitting on his tail.
I got one done.
Here we have boss working ever so hard. Oh, payback is so sweet. The greenhorns embark on their first mission to get under horses.
Did I put gum or would somebody load it up with some gum? First day, all victims are tied out.
You guys ready to get under some?
Yes, sir.
The cool cat always arrives last. Speedy Gonzalez.
Yeah, if they're heavily drugged or on hind feet, it's a good idea.
Morning, Robin.
Hi, how are you?
How's it going, dude?
Good.
You ready to shoot some horses today?
Really excited.
Ain't it?
I got my bag.
Morning, Mitch.
Morning.
How's it going, dude?
Pretty good. Wish I got more sleep.
Well, don't we all around here?
Alright, which horses did they say were drugged? Okay.
Looking for the soft ones, are we?
Yeah, exactly. It's the way to do it, man.
Morning, Jonathan. How's it going?
I'm good. How you doing?
Oh, pretty good, man. Mitch, are you okay? Oh my God, it looks terrible. Oh, you need a blood transfusion.
I don't think it's that bad.
Oh man. Hey boss, we got first prize right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you guys know what first prize is in the Heartland?
Second horse.
Another horse.
Elsa's getting a little tired, Dr. Love.
I am.
Is she?
Huh?
No, you gotta remember to breathe.
She's shaking like a puppy pooping peach pits.
I'm so tired.
I just been in the back.
Daniel? Yeah. And Guy. Oh, should be 23 people.
Is there 2 Kyles?
Yep.
Hey boss, we got a nickname?
Dirty Jobs.
Dirty Jobs.
All right.
Say hi, Mike, bro. Thank you.
How's it going, Lily? Good. I like having a camera shoved in your face every day. You're like, I'm like the paparazzi.
I used to be terribly camera shy, and after these past 2 weeks,
You're just turning it into a celeb.
yeah,
So, hey, congrats on the bar stocks, by the way.
thanks.
That was some beautiful bar stock.
Thank you.
Hey, Jay Quillen.
Good thing you can edit that out.
Yeah, I can. But look at the beautiful horses in the background. Look,
They're so majestic.
so majestic. They rescued me. Tends to get a little western around here, don't it, boss?
It can.
From time
but
to time.
We don't have to get to rope any of them out here, so it's a little boring.
Well, that's all right. Another day. Well, there goes Bay. Luckily, the camera dude just gets to film all of this and doesn't have to be involved. And little do they realize they only have one halter. You guys gonna catch that donkey and that mini over there too?
Oh yeah.
There you
Catching minis is my specialty.
go. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? That's a good quality to have around here. Oh. Well, at least he's warm. Oh.
So that's a really dangerous way of going about picking up my foot, isn't it?
Ian on the Gypsy Vanner.
Hey, ma'am.
How's it going today, Bandito?
Just had to be the 2 Kyles.
Well, heads up, boys. Old Gray's rolling through town. Oh. Can I just do this week? And then if you don't like it, I'll never do it again. Because you got like the funniest parts of the whole video. You're Speedy Gonzalez. In the words of a girl from my class, it's now a donkey dance party. They have arrived.
Blueberry, be careful. Are they dog-friendly donkeys?
He might be the only one. I don't know if that would do.
How's it going, gentlemen?
Good.
Doing good?
Yeah.
Did you guys get bay tame over here? Started to? Oh. Oh, wow. Goodness. Now we're on a new adventure of worming.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Heartland Untamed. This is my comrade Winston here in Ezekiel. Ezekiel has been captured by the local savages, but we press on. As we see here is a herd of young bucks coming in to tame their beasts, looking around, trying to fit into the pecking order ever so awkwardly. What's this? Oh no! It's a wild Gonzalez! He has spotted us in the brush! He could kill us at any second, eyeing us. Winston is very concerned. I am concerned too, Winston, but we must press on. As we see here an old Heartland custom taking place, the dance between the Pinto and the boy. Of course, he jerks him around and he pets him, because that works every time. Oh! Could it be a wild Kelly? Can you believe it, Winston? Tune in next week where we could possibly capture a wild Kelly kill.
What do you think of donkeys, owner?
are great for teaching colts to lead.
What do you think, Roper?
Not the best to trim. It's all good there.
What do you think, boss?
I think they are delicious with mashed potatoes. You guys got to get back though because there's going to be
Hey, move them stands, boys.
this one too.
Okay, so right now the big thing I'm doing is, you guys notice how I'm giving and retreating? I'm taking, retreating, taking, retreating, taking, retreating. So I took, right there, that last battle, I just got to touch her cannon butt. And she snapped, she blew up. Now I'm pulling forward and she's picking it up. So, and then I'm going back. Now she's got it up, she's standing there balanced. I'm gonna reach over with my hand and grab my toe. And I'm not just gonna pull her back.
You're gonna take your time. Try to talk her into it without forcing her.
Excited to have your own mini, Zach?
Yeah, I've always wanted one.
There you go.
Parents always told me no.
You never could have a pony for Christmas?
No.
And you begged for one?
Yeah.
Man, do you want to get back at your parents right now on the internet?
Yeah, I know. They're watching right now. What's up?
Now we're making your hopes and dreams come true.
Yeah.
Mini Diablo. Stay strong. Stay strong, Zach. Stay strong. You're good. You're good. As soon as he gets good, give him relief. Give him it back to him. Look for an exit.
Here, give me one of those scissors.
It's Spanish for El Nino.
Chris Farley.
Yeah.
Classic, man. Oh, hold on. Now, right there. Give it back. No. Now, give it back to him. Look, give him some relief. Step back. Let him blow. Good, man. Now you're a horseshoer.